I want to put my car in the garage, but these shelves here that came with the house are in the way. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut these out. I'm going to retain the top shelf for storage and get rid of everything else. It's a 3-step process. First thing is to put in these brackets here. I'll show you that in another video. Second thing is to come through and take out these shelves and the ones at the bottom. And the third and final thing is to come through with a saw and cut out these uprights at the top here. I'll show you how to do that in about 30 seconds. If you have something in your house that came with the house that you like it, but you'd also like to change it, then you'll get some tips on how to do that in this video. In future videos, I'll show you other repairs around the house and small jobs like repairing a gate or hanging a heavy mirror. And if you hit the subscribe button, you'll see those when they come out. So let's get started on this. These are some of the large braces I put in to hold up the shelves. Also some on the side here to stiffen it up. And on the inside here, I've also put in some just corner braces just to make the whole thing a lot stiffer. Now it's time to demolish these shelves. I've taken out the OSB shelving that was in here, so now it's ready for taking out these upright pieces here. I'm going to leave some of them in to support this when I cut it out. Now I've cut out a lot of the horizontal supports and it's ready for me to cut out along this line to cut out these uprights. What I'm using is this Milwaukee cordless 12-volt saw. It should do the job. If it doesn't, if it gets bogged down, then I'll get a corded, much bigger saw. Let's see how it does. Looks like it did it just right. that's the last cut. All these uprights have been cut through with the saw now, so it's time just to get the hammer out and knock them out and knock out any other pieces that are holding it up. And at that point, this shelf will all be that remains. So that works up a sweat. All those pieces are out. All that's left is this shelf. I'm just pulling down on it a little bit to make sure that it's strong enough. And it is. So if you've got a job around your house that requires a little bit of demolition or a few changes to make, then just plan it out. Make sure you've got enough support if you're cutting something out, and it'll work out just fine for you. If you like the video, then hit the like button and hit the subscribe button, and watch out for future videos. Good luck with your project.